So that's just to show you how to do a quick installation of a muffler that we're doing on a 2000 Accord V6. Yeah, a quick look at how we do that. It's not that hard. My guy will weld it and he'll show you. Holding that cat. It's recording. Don't worry. No, I'm showing you how you record it. Don't hit me. 2000 on the Accord. Cat. Stop. Muffler.
Now we can bring the muffler down like this. You'll be on YouTube. I'm gonna be on YouTube.
Hey, you're gonna be a celebrity, guys.
Bring it down.
V6. So you're gonna take it out? Okay, that's good. Yeah. So we do it properly. No Mickey Mouse. So we just welded, spot adjusting. Now we know what the adjusting spot is. So once we figure that out, we're gonna bring this whole thing down, take it out, and then we're gonna weld it back properly. Well, that's just, after we grind it, but it looks good. Millermatic. Just gonna grind it. So let's see how it looks before. Yeah, looks good. Quick show of how we do crushing. Basic setup that we do out here. Let me show you. What are you crushing cars, Steve? Say hello to the world.
Hello to the world! You're usually better looking, but I'm at work.
Yeah, he's not working right now. Let's see how this is done. What are you doing? You got some rubber?
Fire it is.
cars, so grab them before we crush them. We got all these cars, Mitsubishi, Chevy, Taurus. This Highlander is gonna be gone if you guys don't buy it, so all this pile's gotta go. And it's a beautiful windy day to crush it. Not with this one, Ram, Dodge Ram. That's gonna be stay. We got an F-250 Super Duty, not yet to be crushed. We're holding that. Nice Subaru. PT Cruise. No kids, we need you guys not to go to school. This is it, right? This is what we need them. Nothing wrong with this, but hell. We get more freedom though this way, you know, none of that office crap.
Yeah, that's true. I got to
Fresh gasoline. What else you want, you know?
I don't think I can make it inside. I could do it inside.
Oh, watch your back, here it comes. Folks, that's how we crush, so get them at mantecaparts.com. Get them while they're still here. Then back here you see, that's how they go, get crushed, smashed individually. Thank you for watching.